Yay! I know some of you didn't have to work today, and that's awesome. Some of you only had to work part days, so you had an earlier start, and some people had to work the whole day. Whatever it was, it's still the weekend, and it's Easter weekend for those of us who celebrate that. And again, as a Catholic, and my husband's Catholic, that means we're not eating meat today, which meant I really wanted to do chocolate chip pancakes for lunch, but I didn't, because Sean probably would have wanted some, so I'll wait for him to do those. But tonight we are going to have salmon and asparagus. I've already rinsed the asparagus, move it all around under the water, but I leave it in the rubber bands because it's easier to cut this way. Here, I'll bring you guys over to it. Because you want to get kind of just the bottoms off. It's just gone a little bad. Like kind of whitish. And they're just going everywhere now. So do that. And then can release them from the rubber bands. Move all that out of the way. Alright. This is a really easy, yummy recipe for the roasted asparagus. And it's going to go in first because it's going to need to cook longer than the salmon. The oven is preheating to 325 because we're going to need both things in there at the same time. So the salmon's going to only need to cook for about 15 minutes, whereas the asparagus is going to need at least 30. So actually at a lower temperature, probably closer to 40. I know none of you are surprised. Putting some garlic in there, not a ton. See, never let people tell you there's too much garlic. Never too much garlic. Alright, hang on, I gotta wash my hands, so pause y'all. Alright, so did our garlic. Gonna do some cracked pepper. And just do regular black pepper if that's what you'd rather do. We're just seasoning it up. See, we all have kind of the same basic components, I'm sure, in any of our go-to recipes. Then we can use our favorite flavors over and over again. A little bit of salt, and then some Parmesan. Lightly coat. I need a ton. See, just a little bit here. Might do just a little bit more because we like cheese. Alright. Then I'm going to just mix it all up. Get everything pretty coated. Whatever we don't quite get in the bowl, we can redo on the pan, which we've already lined with aluminum foil. So again, it helps reduce the cleanup. And since we're going to aim to put the salmon on this too, that way it won't stick to the pan. Alright. Leaving some room for the salmon so we can do the asparagus this way. Yay! Sean and I love asparagus. With veggies are y'all eating these days. Alright, so see, you can just kind of drizzle this all over. If you heard that beep, it means the oven is preheated. What great timing. So I hope y'all are eating some good veggies. I think I'm going to get us some more squash for a recipe I like, that Sean likes too. For this weekend, if I can get it. We were out the other day. Everybody's got that, like, you know, summer squash kind of vibes. Alright. I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes to start. See how they're looking at it. They need 5 more minutes before we do the salmon. So we'll check back in a little bit, alright? Alright, so we're not quite at the salmon yet because the asparagus is still cooking. We're going to make one of the toppings. It's just be breadcrumbs. So we've got our toast. So we're going to crumble it up into breadcrumbs. toasted it just enough so that it'll be fairly dry, like we need it to be. So we want it to just do what it's doing and disintegrate, basically. And the pieces that didn't quite disintegrate, we're going to do with our fingers. Get that going. So we're going to mix this with Parmesan for the topping. It's going to be the salmon and some pesto, and then the Parmesan breadcrumb mixture. So the breadcrumb as finely done as possible. Could have used the food processor in retrospect. That might have done the job best. But here we are, and this is what I have done. And that's okay. What are y'all doing for your Easters? You know, people have done kind of like we did and got Easter eggs in their windows for egg hunts for the kids. Some people are doing virtual Easter egg hunts from different places. Kind of seen doing that. Or places that are posting like various pictures with Easter eggs hidden in them. So you can kind of look through them and find them. Or in your own backyards or front yards. So that's all fun. I don't remember doing it a ton as a kid. There's definitely a video when I was very little in our backyard, me and my brother and my parents. My brother's so sweet. He's finding all these eggs. He's older. He's finding all these eggs. And I'm just kind of walking around like we're in the yard and I'm holding the basket. Cool. Like just having fun, and I'm not like getting any eggs. My parents are like, it's right there. It's right there. And I'm just like, okay. So my brother gets like all the eggs. And then he nicely just comes over to my basket and just starts filling my basket up with all these eggs. And you know, I'd like to think that was actually my goal, was like, I don't have to do this. Just do it for me if I stand here long enough. So don't worry about it. I got this. I'm just gonna look cute instead. Because it worked. I got my fair share of the eggs. Actually, my brother is a great big brother. He's always spoiled me when I was little, and even now. So I'm sure I actually got more than my fair share, which I bet I had to give back to him. Because I'm sure my parents were like, no, he needs some eggs too. But I always thought that was a funny little video clip of us. So yeah, hope you guys are having fun if you've got kids doing that. If not, you're finding a way to celebrate with your family virtually. However you gotta do it. It'll be good. I'm trying to think if there's like movies like Jesus Christ Superstar. If you like that, I actually really like it. So I'm sure I will be watching it. Alright, so I'm just doing some Parmesan in here. That's really it. Got this. Yeah, otherwise I don't really know. I guess like there's that kids movie Hop. I think that's about the bunnies. So you just want it all mixed up so it'll toast up real nice on top of the salmon. This might actually be a little more than we need, but that's okay. Alright, we still got a few minutes till it all comes out of the oven so we can put the salmon on it together, so I'm going to pause y'all. Alright, so the asparagus is out of the oven and we are on to our salmon, which we're going to put directly on to the pan. Come on. Go. Okay, touch the pan a little too much. It'll be alright, I promise. Done it before. Alright. We're going to use this to move the pan over so we don't actually burn ourselves. Alright. Then, alright, let me wash this because it's got more. Too sticky, I was going to drop stuff. That's not going to work. Alright, so we're going to do a tablespoon and a half of pesto on each piece of salmon. There's one. About a half. Then I'm just going to use one finger to spread it nice and evenly. Good Friday meals. We've also done some basic, just grilled cheese and tomato soup. Always a classic and a standard. I know that's all it says, but I might actually add just a little more pesto to each of them because I like the pesto. Oh, pesto. Just a little bit more, right? Just a little dab. Just a little extra dab, that's all. All right. That out of the way. Then we're going to do that Parmesan breadcrumb mixture on the top. Yeah, so I'm hoping everyone's had a nice Friday, done something for themselves, something for somebody else, made a connection, but also remember to take some time for yourself. Got to take care of ourselves too through these times. You know, with so many of us working from home, it can be easy to just be like, oh, I can just keep working on this and this, that, and the other. And for some of us, maybe it does get something done and free up time in the future. But a lot of us, I'm sure, have jobs where it really never seems to end. So it's okay to stop yourself. Go, you know what? I've put in a really good day today. I've been very productive. And it's quitting time because I need to take time for myself. I need to do for myself a little bit, or do for somebody else in my household, or a family member. Maybe I am sending a little something I've created online to, or I'm donating something to charity online, or figuring that out. So it's whatever you got to do. Remember to just take time for yourself and time for others. On my breaks today, I read more of my book. I'm getting good and into it. I'm excited. Yeah, I know it's about World War II. Like, we know the story, but it's still really interesting, and I highly recommend the author, Eric Larson. All right, so those are good and coated. All of that's looking delicious. So we're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. All right, so then speaking of, I was going to show you guys of stuff we do for ourselves. I've been missing the flowers so much this year, getting to go to the gardens. So when I went to get the asparagus for dinner tonight, I realized I had forgotten to actually even order any, and I was planning on eating it. I decided, you know what? I'm going to get some flowers. Because it's spring, it's about to be Easter, and they make me happy. So, all right. We will check on stuff when it comes out of the oven, and then it'll be ready to go. Maybe one last pause. All right, and here we are pulling it all out. It's looking good and tasty. All right. Hope you all have a good Friday. Yes, I like puns.